All right, so you want to know, is this still a good time to get into tech and to change careers? Absolutely. Let me show you why. Because you can still secure career roles just like this anywhere from 70K to 100K, regardless of your experience. And let me tell you, I've already helped over 200 people secure their first yes in tech. Now, let me take you behind the scenes of my 6-step process and how people is doing this. All right, so let me introduce you to the Road to QA program. Inside of Road to QA, you're going to go through our 6-step project where you're going to start with an understanding of your current skills, acquire new knowledge for QA, improve your resume for the market, level up for the interview, load your profile to the market, and score interviews until you get that first yes. And don't worry, you won't be alone. You can come meet my team. Now, you'll also gain access to our community where you're never alone, all right? You can come in here, you can introduce yourself, ask questions, meet up with study groups. We have weekly and monthly training calls, learning calls, hot seat calls, interview prep calls. When you secure your first yes, you can post your win. We also do a full internship experience. Let me show you that next. So inside of Road to QA, you are not just working with theory, you are actually doing the work. Inside of Road to QA, you are actually going to have access to join a 4-week experience where you are going to walk the walk, talk the talk, and be in a day in the life as a QA engineer. Let me show you some of our students now. All right, so inside of our internship experience, these are some of our students who are having aha moments. Nicole says, I'm really happy for the confidence that I've gained since being in this internship. All of the assignments have been very helpful in solidifying what I've learned, and I feel so much better about going into the interview. Let's go. All right, then we have another student here that says, my aha moment came when I realized that I hadn't understood the business requirements. So she's definitely in a day in a life, and she's actually learning how to be a better QA and be ready for the actual job. All right. Then this student says, I'm really happy how things are going so far. Actually getting to do the work hands-on has helped me a lot. It's one thing to learn about it, but it's doing that makes it a big difference. All right, so now let me introduce you to some students that already got their first yes. All right, so we have this student. Her name is Chyna, and she said, I am incredibly proud to share that I've accepted an offer to the federal government, all right? She says, after being laid off in January, I was overwhelmed and uncertain about what would come next. Through persistence and faith, the support of some amazing people, I found my way back to Road to QA. And a heartfelt thank you to Jennifer and the entire team for believing in me, all right? This opportunity is more than just a role. It's a reminder that even in the toughest seasons, we are being prepared for something greater. So yes, you can still get your yes in tech, all right? And you want to get in now. Why? Because companies are choosing and deciding how they want to adopt more AI and automation, meaning QA engineers are going to require more skill sets. The QA role is not going away. It's evolving with responsibilities, meaning skill set and responsibilities, all right? So you want to get in now. You don't want to wait until the job descriptions are not adding more and more. You want to already be in position. So go ahead, lock in your seat, and join Road to QA, and let's get your first yes in tech, and then you can keep skilling up.